Hello, today we will guide you through how to run Python code in Google Colab. Google Colab is a simple browser-based tool that lets you write and run Python code without needing to install anything on your computer first. It's especially helpful for beginners because everything happens online and the interface is designed to be easy to use. In this walkthrough, we'll open Colab, create a code cell, type in some sample Python, and then run it. To begin, go to the Welcome to Colab page in your browser. This is the main starting point for Google Colab, and it gives you access to a notebook where you can start working right away. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around the workspace. You'll usually see a blank notebook area where your code and results will appear. Next, look to the top left area of the page and click on Code. This adds a new code cell to the notebook. A code cell is simply the space where you type Python commands. If you're new to Colab, think of it as a small box that accepts code input and displays output directly underneath after it runs. This is what makes Colab so convenient for testing ideas quickly. After the code cell appears, enter some sample Python code into it. You can type a short command or example script depending on what you want to test. The goal here is just to place valid Python code into the cell so Colab has something to execute. Be sure to type carefully, since even small errors like missing quotation marks or parentheses can prevent the code from running correctly. If you're following along for the first time, keeping the code short and simple is a good way to make sure everything works as expected. Once you've finished entering the code, click the play button next to the cell. This tells Google Colab to run the code you just wrote. In some cases, Colab may take a moment to connect to its runtime before executing the cell, so a short delay is normal. After that, the output should appear directly below the code cell. This immediate feedback is one of the most useful parts of working in Colab, because you can quickly see whether your code behaves the way you intended. And that's it. You've successfully run Python code in Google Colab. As you continue using it, you can repeat the same process with additional code cells to test more commands and build larger scripts over time.